Cool. We're good to go. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Coming at 9:40 a.m. West Coast USA. We got a little hiccup earlier during our crypto deep dive. I was dropping that fire, we disconnected. Good news is my internet just got upgraded like 5 times faster. So let me know if there's anything weird going on. I'm hoping that solves it once and for all. We got blazing fast fucking internet going.
777.
It's not my computer, it's not the internet, then there's nothing else it can be but the hedges. We'll see, this will be a good test. We'll get a nice training session in this afternoon, go for a couple hours. Didn't even eaten anything yet. Oh, it should help. That means our charts will move even faster. Faster internet, the candle bars will roll in even quicker. I think, unfortunately, with the bad timing, our friend James Ipa, he had a nice message.
The way you see and explain the big picture is amazing, bro. I really appreciate what you're doing.
That didn't come through earlier, but it means a lot. Thanks a lot, James. He's probably not here anymore, unfortunately. Have to shout him out again when I see him. Oh, there he is. Two James. Nice. Welcome back, everyone. Who would be a mad lad enough to chart crypto on Good Friday afternoon? Only Savage Stock Pirates. Only Crypto Crew. We should set sail. Let's set sail. Crypto Island. James says you're helping me grasp this all way faster than I could have imagined. Yeah, he's only been around a couple of weeks. See, big trend. That's a great start, man. You're getting a boost. Giving you that boost. Get you ahead of everyone else who's just getting started in crypto. I was dropping some fire earlier. We're getting some good topics. Litecoin's bouncing, it's pushing up higher and higher every few minutes. We're talking about hedges and short squeezes and everything. Hedges are all long on crypto. Remember Tesla bought Bitcoin last year and stuff? All the big companies are in crypto. They're holding it. They're not bearish crypto. Yeah, if you're just getting started, figuring what crypto is all about, feel free to ask any basic questions too, it's all good. We're squeezing. Short squeeze watch says it's time. On crypto. Altcoins. That's kind of what I'm getting at. Like, they're shorting all those stocks and they're closing their shorts, but they're bullish on crypto. They've been bullish on it. On Bitcoin in particular. They stick to the main ones. They stick with Bitcoin usually. But of course, you know, we got Grayscale Litecoin. All the Grayscale products and everything. Yeah, compass. I'm gonna need to get myself a compass. We usually just navigate using the stars. Using the constellations. We're holding over 40, as long as it's over 40, altcoins getting green. Especially if it continues up. Flat as a pancake on dollar. So crypto's about as green as possible. It's still fighting the dollar. Trending up a lot. So this is where we were yesterday. That opening, that flattened out. It's been no bigger move leading into the weekend. Still Bitcoin heading into the weekend over 40. The weekly candle closes Sunday, 2 days from now. The crypto candle bars, they close at the end of the weekend, not on Friday like the stocks. I saw Naked Swabby. Is it Good Friday or Goodbye Day? Native asking about amp and audio. Well, audio is top of the list, bouncing right now.
Yep.
Do you hear that in the song? She goes, yep. That's the only lyric in the whole song. Range bound too, but that's over long term. It's kind of like what altcoin's not bullish though. See, it's every chart I'm pulling up has this tight corner consolidation going on here. And they all are in this extended accumulation for right now. Even this, they'll all break out together. The market cap chart. Kind of depends which ones you're excited about. Which has all-time high potential. A new all-time high. Quiet, how much is it up already last year? Looks like it could be a bit. 15x. Sorry, up 15x on audio. I'm not about to enter something that's up 15x last year. Actually, okay, no, that was funny. There's a good point. This one's up 15x and it's only ever gone up from the beginning, from the inception. AMP, the other one Native asked about, is up a lot too, but I actually would enter that one potentially. Now that's over this trend line. Let's say just bullish control here. Bullish territory. It's probably just gonna hold the line. Anything below that green line would be a drop opportunity. They're all pretty stable right now. Right up the line, trying to bounce. Anything lower would be a drop opportunity on AMP. Now, this one's up a lot too. That's up 600% or more from 2 years ago, 2020. I actually would potentially enter this one though still, because there's room for growth. All of this down here looks too extreme. That's really just a giant bear trap. So really, this bear trap almost crashed to zero. Shaking out the paper hands, no doubt about it. And then the bulls stepped in the long term. They're diamond handing it, and then it went up for the last couple years. So that's why it's up 600% or more still from a couple years ago. Because people like us loaded up down there, and they're diamond handing it. They're probably doubling down, like still accumulating. We'll expect it. We can anticipate, because it was bullish with the altcoins when the rest of the altcoins were bullish 2020. It's likely gonna continue to be bullish with the rest of the altcoins next year. So what kind of target are we talking about if it recovers all-time high 2017? Like our other charts. Good enough. Even though it's still up a lot from that bear trap down there. From where it is now to the recovery all-time high target. Grab it. 50x! 5,000%! It's a huge target still, even though it's already up 600%. So generally speaking, I wouldn't enter something that's up hundreds of percents, thousands of percents from a couple years ago still. But on this one, maybe make an exception for this one. So there's still so much further it could go. But that makes it a bit more risky. I would say that makes it potentially more risky, high risk, high reward, because of this volatility. Maybe it's not quite done selling off there yet. Come back down to the bottom of the box first. Make it somewhat risky compared to the other ones. Like that. So that could be the dollar damage while dollars being extreme for another month. Crypto dipto and then blast off with the dollar crash. There are really bullish things about many of these altcoin charts. Chainlink right on the long-term trend line there. Green alert. Like this, it's every single one I'm pulling up. They're either right on the support, trying to bounce, or they've already been bouncing. So I'm wondering on Chainlink, maybe this one will take a bit longer, since it's been pretty mild here. This one could take a few more months to really get going again. That's the variability right now. And anything, any kind of dipto right now, any kind of crypto dipto right now, below that green line would be a drop opportunity. That'd be a dunk. And it was under that line. There's only one of them. I think there's another trend line that goes even further back. It's not on this chart. But when it lasts, okay, this 2018 2020. It's been above that line since 2020. You didn't expect it to hold. That's a solid support, and it means if it were to fall below, that's an entry. Bounce back up to the green line. Not seeing it right now. This is absolutely maintaining, trying to bounce. More into the short term there, now you know what the green line is. That's not fallen below, it's not broken through or changed or anything to worry about right now. And look at the last time when it did, it bounced right back up, so that's our drop opportunity below the green trend line. No sign of that right now. Looks more like either a strong bounce cooking up or some more accumulation in that breakout. And we gotta trust that trend line's valid after maintaining for 4 years. So I'm not even worried about them falling through, and if they did, I'd be looking to scoop some up for cheap. Right now, they're good to go. Some of them are cooling off, like Nano's still working its way lower after a big rally last week, a couple weeks ago. And this is just short term for now, so it's like maybe this weekend, a couple of days is down here, but then it bounces and keeps going up in the mid to long term. It really looks like it's getting started. It's like a pirate wedge on Nano. It's just like a pirate wedge to November, December, and that's what it did, and it hit November, December. It's a fucking pirate wedge on Nano. And it hit the first target, it hit the initial profit taking 100%. Little old lady profit taking strategy, it's perfect. So it's kind of like mullen when we hit that first 100% push on mullen. That came back down, kept going after. I remember we had an epic day trade on mullen. And then some people even got mullen puts the next day, up and down 2 days in a row on mullen. That first push, 100% at least. People took profits and everything. That's what Nano's doing here. And then mullen came back down, steadily cruised upwards, broke out, hit like 500%. It started similar to this. Mullen went 500%, so is Nano about to go 500%? Not just 100%? Was Nano about to go up here? Hundreds of percents? After this short-term crypto dipto. It's a big difference, 100% versus 400%. Well, up to $10 instead of $3. Rather than it being over with, this move being over, it really looks like this bigger move is just beginning. running out of time to pillage. Stash getting over 110. See, it never came all the way back down. Now they're so bullish. They're too bullish. They're going up too fast. That's why you're bouncing huge. It hit $99. Hey, good afternoon, crypto crew, if you're just joining us. We're gonna be deep diving in another like 2 hours or so. Captain got an internet upgrade, so there better not be any disconnects. Making sure that's all smooth too for next week. Let me know if you even get the slightest quality drop in the chat. Like anything. Any kind of lag or anything. I want to know about it. Thanks for your patience. Of course, I try and make the show as best enjoyable as possible. That can be interrupting. I'm really trying to hammer it and sort it all out for next week. I think we're good right now. So far, so good with the blazing internet. Here's what we're gonna do to everyone who showed up today. We're gonna take a booty coin bet. You got the chance to win some booty coins. I've been stacking them up. I won so many slots lately. I've got a ton of booty coins, 230. Probably on the top list. Someone has to bump me out. Not quite. I'm right out. I'm like number 11. Topet's got number 10 with 237 coins. I have 232, so I'm like rank 11. I'm catching up, but I'm gonna give you all the chance to win some. It's gonna be. Uh-oh, now David's lagging. See, I need to know about that. Because I'm pulling up, I'm doing the vote. Could it be the vote? Anyone else? It looks good on my phone. Okay, thanks for letting me know, David. No one else seems to have any issue. All good on my phone. T Flowers, you too? Really? Try refreshing once. As long as no one's disconnecting, maybe it's slight lag spike or something. Okay, thanks. Let me know if there's any kind of disconnecting thing. Cheers. Monitoring it closely today. There's not even that many crew here today. We have more crew show up for Discord Day Wednesday than we do for a public crypto show, so I imagine that most casual traders are taking the weekend off. They're like, that was a tough week in the markets, fuck this. So they're just gonna ignore the charts all weekend. Okay, maybe it's just a spike because I'm doing a bet. This is gonna be a real tough question. Here's the question. You gotta pick the right answer. That's open. Question is, let's go? Yeah? We're fucking let's go. You gotta choose the right answer. Try and win some booty coins. Wonder which one it'll be. Or a chance to win some bonus coins for showing up extra overtime. You can't go all in though, up to 10. I just choose, yeah, that's it. Just trick everyone. Hey, Tina's here. I'm sure all our crew's sleeping in. I considered it myself. It's like, should we do an extra live stream today? Or should we crush some altcoins before they start moving? Well, I'm voting, fuck yeah, let's go. Here's our current dip though. It's easy to see on stellar lumens. We're in the nice re-entries. We got our double dunks right now, and they're bullish again, going up, bouncing strong. They don't look like they're gonna dunk any lower. I don't think we're gonna be able to catch stellar lumens way down here after all. In the cup, straight above the cup, but not all the way. It's just a standard retracement. Let's see if it this may. It probably will. Go get those lights voted. Show you something cool. Tina goes, are we voting on Elon buying Twitter? No. No, we're voting on let's go, yeah, fuck yeah. Are we gonna send it on the altcoins? Everyone's holding altcoins, waiting patiently, get their reward. We might not have to wait that much longer. That's what's caught my attention lately. Something big is right around the corner. It'd be pretty epic if we make 10x on our altcoins 3 to 6 months from now. I wouldn't mind a nice 10x crypto trade in the next few months. That'd be a good win for crypto crew to start the new year. To get us through the rest of the year even. Alright, we got 10 votes, 10 bets. We have a winner. Fuck yeah, let's go 100%. We're sending it. Very nice. Expect nothing less from you. Just got some bonus booty coins. $43 goes, finally, I won a bet. Yeah, I've been wrong on him lately too. Because I usually ask the bet about something kind of absurd. Something that's not even very likely to happen, but might happen. So That's why I've been using the dollar for the bet question lately. Like, will dollar actually do something today? Will dollar stay completely flat all day? Maybe we'll do another, huh? Maybe I'll do another real one now. Is dollar gonna move at all in the next 2 hours? That's the real question. Are we gonna get a dollar dippy? Let's do it. I'm talking about let's do it. Oh, doing that. Keep the fun going. Just win some more booty. Dollars? That was a real question. I just sounded real. Not sure if joking or not. Yo, so Dixie is closed today? So the chart's frozen, the stock market's closed, dollar's closed, it's not moving, it's completely. No, it's open. This is moving, it's just not moving. It looks like the chart's closed. That's how insanely flat it is, so I like to ask the fun questions about that. I mean, is dollar going to move? And what I mean is, are we gonna get a dollar dippy here? Some crypto bounce, dollar dippy? For the weekend? So we can take a bet on that for fun too. Is it gonna have some kind of bigger dip here in the next couple hours, or is it gonna stay flat for until we finish the show for the rest of the afternoon? I'm gonna bet that yes, it is gonna have some kind of move, some kind of dip. It looks like it's about to, but it still hasn't. And I think it'll reflect it. I think it will as altcoins are starting to go more green. Crypto is starting to push up a little bit on the morning. Bitcoin holding over 40. That can be enough to cause dollar to go down against crypto. So that's a real question. Not expecting it to hit any major significant number today or till Monday morning. Not expecting it to hit 101 today, right now. That's unlikely. I don't think it's enough. With the stocks market being closed today for that to happen, but we might get a nice little dippy here, dollar dippy. While crypto's going green today. Nothing too extreme, and then perhaps we're down here Monday morning, right? So maybe even if you care, I know like JBake's been charting the dollar chart a lot himself lately, and the feedback I'm getting is it's worthwhile. The OGs and even traders who've been in the markets 20 years, longer than I have. I'm not that old. Oh, I would have been like 10 years old back then. So I started trading more around when I was 15, more a teenager. Not 20 years ago, more like 15 years ago, 16, maybe even 17 years ago. This is when I really started learning and diving in more and more and actually doing it. But we have a lot of traders who've been in the markets for longer than I have, 20 years. They're learning a lot from how we're we're utilizing the dollar value to help give confidence on our trades. So if you're interested in that, remember this for Monday. Fun facts about them. What do you mean, what programs just rubbing in? All the same brokers were around back then. Like, Fidelity's been around longer than that. Oh, for charting? For trade? Oh man. He's probably talking about for charting. It sucked. There was nothing. Bro. For charting, there was nothing. It was brutal. You're basically using Google charts. Like, TradingView's not that old. TradingView's maybe like 7, 8 years old, maybe 10, not much. TradingView's been around a while now, but not back then. It wasn't. So you're really using garbage charts. I can't even remember, honestly. Yeah, pen and paper, basically. Yeah. Like, you would go to the level of where essentially you would print out the charts on a piece of paper and then start drawing your trend lines on a piece of paper. I'm not kidding. Like, there are some charting programs, but very basic and limited and not really giving you enough tools to be effective. So as I was learning more and more about it, all of that was being introduced, getting more advanced with the actual charts themselves and the tools to use them, and the brokerages and making their apps, and then Robinhood came out and everything, right? Like, it's pretty different now. So that's how I started when I was a teenager, was paper trading in a classroom, actually. And then the seed was planted. And I saw the potential. I remember like doing good on my paper trading. And it got me kind of excited. I was like, oh, if only I did this with real money. So I kind of planted the seed, and I just kept learning and studying and all about investing, and not even necessarily like day trading stuff or technicals on charts or anything. More just learning and general investing strategies and techniques, and how other traders succeed in the markets, all those things. And then I started charting more and more and more as the tools got better and better, really. And now the tools are so good, I can do all this awesome chart art and throw on the quick measurements oh, so I was gonna do that actually. One of those charts, I forgot. The Fibonacci's probably match up really nicely here in these areas with a lot of these altcoins. Thanks, Tina. Because your savvy technical analysis makes me think he used to work for some hedge fund. Yeah, right. Like, you'd probably believe me if I said that, but trust me, I didn't. No, I just did it for myself. That's the whole point. I always just did it for myself because I recognized the potential and the opportunity and the room for growth and improvement. I realized from early on that if you always practice, get better and better at it, it's actually a skill you can improve, and you can beat the markets if you get good enough. So that got me into it. And then once you start getting better and better, more comfortable with it, all the emotions start to become more every day more normality, and you get kind of used to it, and you get less emotional about it, and you start practicing your strategies, not just general techniques, but actually getting your own style. There's so much room for advancement if you just keep working on it. And so it's just like, that's how it started, and now here I am 15 years later, and I was always doing it for myself, thinking, oh, this will be useful for my future as a skill to have. And now I don't really, I got to the point where it almost like got boring. Like, it's not about having fun for me on the charts or trading at all. It's survival. I've been doing it so long, it's survival. That's what you have to do. So to be a pro trader, it wasn't really fun anymore for the last 5 fucking years, and now it's so fun again with all you getting started, all the new excitement and helping other people win. That's what it's all about for me. That's why I love what we do every day, and a live stream on a day that the market's closed, so I can help y'all get ahead of crypto and succeed and actually figure it all out. It has a real impact, makes some small difference in the world, and feels like we're accomplishing something as a team. Even just by charting our crypto right now today. I don't know where it's going over the weekend. Make trading fun again. It gets too serious. The more you do it, it gets more and more serious. So you gotta keep having fun with it so it stays interesting. Like, so you keep the passion for it. There's the balance there. 43. So I was thinking you came from another planet to save us with a fortune-telling cat. Yes, you wanna remember that old movie? The cat from outer space or something? I always remembered it as a kid because it was a funny theme, funny cat. I gotta make a meme of this shit. I'm gonna make a meme of this. Bull cat's picture on there, bull cat from outer space. Hey Tina, you're so sweet. Oh, thanks so much. Oh, that's sweetie. I'm glad you popped in today, Tina. Alright. Do you have some crypto exposure? I just figured you're more on the stock side of the markets, but cool to see you here for a crypto special. We can still talk about stocks and ask questions. Yeah, more on the stock side of things. Cool. And Tina's one of the ones. She's literally right here in the chat. So she'll tell you for herself. She doesn't have to, but she has before. I know she's been in the markets 20 years. There's your proof. Like, I'm talking about Tina when I'm saying that stuff. I'm talking about Stock Wizard who's here every day. Like, Powderhound's been in the markets a long time, but he was never trading. He was investing, long-term holding, and handling, not trading. Now he's charting and trading. Well, there's a nice blend as well between crypto and stocks with our crypto stocks, and they were popping not long ago. Remember T-Cat? Gone wild. %200% T-Cat's bouncing stronger than the altcoins themselves. Not only does it trade like an altcoin, it's outperforming the altcoin. Here's the altcoin bounce, and there's a stock, so still playing the crypto rally, getting exposure to the crypto space. And though it's on the stock market, I think there's a good in-between right now. There's a good blend, things like that. Where it basically, it might as well be an altcoin. TCAT might as well just be an altcoin. I should just put it on our altcoin watch list with all the other cryptos. Of course, we're still waiting on Metin, but in Sphere 3D had some bad news event in a double dunk. The bad news put it right back at the support. Almost as if it was intentional. Even though it came all the way back down, the important part is that it bounced almost 100%. We're getting these stock crypto bounces too. And backed holdings, up and down, it's pretty volatile, but lots of bounces on backed holdings. Here. Waiting on that third one. Yeah, AM for life. TCAT's target's huge, first of all. All these targets, we wouldn't even be charting them other what backed holdings, $50 target from $5, 10x. We're just in pirate wedges right now. We've hit the first pirate wedge on a lot of them, going the initial 100%. TCAT's target's even bigger. It's crazy big. I don't know if you're ready. You might become a TCAT moon boy. Try not to get too excited, because it's the same setup as Aterian, okay? Here's why TCAT has an insane target. First of all, TCAT went like 50x last year, or more. No, I think it went more. Might have went 100x last year. It's got the same kind of symmetrical, geometric the Denwo circle. Giant magic circle. We got a fucking guys, we just invented a giant magic circle. I like that. Now that we have two of them, it's a pattern. If it was only one, if it was only on Aterian, it would be unique to Aterian. We actually discovered similar symmetry in the fucking TCAT chart. So I mean, all of a sudden, this setup is a giant magic circle, I guess. Like, what else do you call that? It's not a real thing. It's not. So we have to make up what that means. Like, what do you even call that? How perfect that looks. Ha, Patty Nelson. It must be your first time here. You're close, but I don't like the way you said it, so off the plank. I'm pretty buzzed. But you don't have to be a dick about it. You don't have to sound like a jackass about it. That's not a good introduction, just so you know. In the future, because we're a real trading community, I actually read the chat. He just goes, haha, this dude sounds a little drunk. He's close. Probably didn't even think I'd see the message though. Drunk with power. Fuck, I should be drinking. Are you kidding me? I should be drinking. It's Good Friday. I should go get some beer. Like, where's my beer at? Why aren't I drinking is the real question. Now I'm starting to think, why are I not drinking right now? He's got a point, I should be drinking. I'm way too sober right now. We'll save it for 6 o'clock in the morning, Monday morning. And the bottle will come out. Damn it, you can't be sober to come up with a chart like this, tell you that much, my friends. Good luck charting like this when you're sober. Side note, it's funny, we haven't seen that in a while. Markets are getting good again. You got the random moon boys popping up saying funny things. Plank walkers. Last time that happened, AMC was squeezing. Alright, let's finish with TCAT project. All of that was a segue to get to the TCAT moon. Now you understand how these charts get formulated. It takes a mad scientist. Only a fucking mad lad. A real deal crypto trader would be charting crypto this afternoon. Anyone else is napping, they're sleeping on it. So I'm in business with our crypto bull run coming up. Hey, Joey Very says I'm back, ready from summer training. Miss you, Captain. Cheers. Nice. You gonna be more active again? Took some time off from the markets. I remember you saying that a while ago. Good to have you back. Yeah, these are the ones where I'm saying, like, hey, you can kind of be a TCAT moon boy right now. Don't be a TCAT moon boy when it's $50 and buy it up there, but if you're getting in down here, you can be a TCAT moon boy. It gives you a reason to be confident about it. It's an exciting giant target that has real potential. If you're getting in cheap enough, that's okay. It's only a problem if you're a moon boy if you're FOMOing in at bad prices. So, the Ethereum target solid. All lines, all roads point $30. We're cruising. We got our breakout over $5 buy box. Good to go. We all like that target, I'm sure. That all looks good. So if we have the same thing on TCAT, we have the same kind of pattern going on Giant Magic Circle on TCAT. Let's get some sevens in the chat.
777.
Get around the sevens in the chat. For that epicness. The charts are so epic, we had to invent Giant Magic Circle. If it's happening more than once, see, here's the cool part. Maybe we'll find another that's like, whoa, we got another giant magic circle, and all of a sudden it's become something. It's unforgettable, that's for sure. We see Aterian hit the moon, we see TCAT hit the moon, so we're gonna be wanting to find some more giant magic circles going forward. I hope it's not the last one we find. Same thing, we like the same symmetry. All roads lead to the moon up here. Unlike Aterian, which is kinda here. Aterian moon's here. On the side of the giant magic circle. TCAT's is above, at the top of the giant magic circle. That's where it's all pointing to. Huge target. Over $100. Go to $150 is what that looks like. It's pointing to $150 on fucking Ticket. Oh, we're talking. That's moon boy worthy. That's a real moon. Here's what it looks like on the linear chart. Crazy. It's way down here at the bottom. Brand new all-time high. NFT hype. It's only really gonna happen if Bitcoin goes all-time high. Bitcoin hits 100,000, TCAT can hit $100. That's how epic this altcoin season is gonna be. These are no small moves in the making. It's cooking something big up. Cooking us up something good and tasty when we get back to town. Want to make sure it's worthwhile holding, so that's why altcoins, if they're already up like 20x from last year, it's probably not a good entry. Ethereum, sure, it's bullish with crypto, but it's up 20x from what, 2 years ago. I'm not buying it up there, fuck that. Happy trading. We're gonna have a quick coffee intermission. It's like, happy that the blazing fast internet, we're going light speed warp drive. We're getting some nice crypto bounce action, good price action. Litecoin staying over 110. Someone asked about Jasmine, and it's still cooling off, still taking some dollar damage, but look where we are now on this double dunk. That's a trampoline. Cool. Thanks everyone. We're gonna have a quick coffee refill and then go for another charting session. Probably another hour or so. Hour and a half. And call it a weekend. Oh. I'm actually sitting nice and up straight, up tight for now. We're doing some damage on our charts, which is good. Covering some good topics. It's gonna get you all ahead, especially for next week, because it's all leading to a weekend. So even if you wait, say you wanted to get some ICP, it's all-time low, but you wait till Sunday, you wait a couple more days, and it's over $20 already. So we're starting to turn up now. They're looking to keep going throughout the weekend. I'm even impressed with Litecoin. It's one of the first to start bouncing on the day, having a significant push here. Here's 40,000 Bitcoin line. That stop on, holy shit! Look at that stop on Bitcoin. $39,950 and bounced right back over 40. See, we very much are bouncing here. Yeah, I don't think anyone's happy that the stock market's closed today. It's pretty dumb. But we can still talk about it if anyone's got stock questions via pick. Up the coffee. Hey everyone. Cheers TikTok, funny TikTok videos in the chat. Yes. Then what can you make videos showing us how to chart for ourselves? That would be such a blessing. Hey, congratulations. I'll send you a free month invite to join us on Discord. Come on aboard. I've seen you in the chat lately, TikTok. Just send me an email. We got some life jackets the other day. The crew's been very generous. They want to help new members get started. That's where you can find the videos. I'll show you real quick. Yes, daddy. Senpai works better. You can check all that out because I have a bunch of that out there right now. Here's the email for you in the chat. The person I invited yesterday never emailed me. Sometimes that happens. So you gotta want it. Yeah. I'll show you real quick. You can read more about it if you want to. The link above me, patreon.com/DenwoTrading. Just want to read a little bit about it. We'll do our weekend voice chat party too. Be out there tomorrow night. Down here in the learning, I do have some crash course videos out here, training course, that were kind of an emergency to put out last year when things were getting spicy. And if you start from the beginning, go through them, take your time, and maybe even rewatch them twice, you'll get a lot better understanding of everything. And that'll really help you keep up with the live show better too. And then we even have a couple options courses out here, since options are getting fun again. Be careful with that though. In these videos I kept talking about get them long term. And then I was seeing a bunch of traders saying they had short-term contracts, but I'm just here to show you the charts. You're the one pressing the buttons. So that's more the full experience. That's why I say join us on Discord to get the real full experience. I'm putting out weekend videos every single weekend that aren't on YouTube. All the best charts from the week. So even if you're too busy to watch the live show that much, you can just watch these weekend update videos every Sunday and still have a great feel for the markets. Cool, gonna go grab the coffee. Thanks everyone. Not even to mention the 24/7 incredible conversation, intelligent community. It's too easy to brag about the crew. You're all awesome. Alright, good to go. Welcome back, my friends. Let's get one more good charging session in there. Hey, cheers, TikTok. Oh, you're such a nice person. I'll send you that after the show this afternoon. That email for the membership. That's all that. So I'm always working hard all weekend long, every weekend. That's why the crew trusts their captain. They know I'm always working fucking hard to keep them ahead of everyone else. I might even put out a short video or something about this crypto bounce action today. I'll be including all this in the Sunday update, of course, working on that, working on some charts over the weekend for the crew. I might work on one today a little bit, mullen. We gotta prepare our mullen targets better. It's the next chart I'm gonna post, so we don't have exactly accurate targets for that, just kind of estimates. But yeah, say Litecoin hits $150 tomorrow. Everyone on Discord's gonna be talking about it over the weekend. So we all are well prepared, and that's how a lot of the traders are prepared first thing Monday morning. I'm sure everyone knows that already. Even Steam's starting to bounce. They're all doing it. Buying pressure. Maybe dollar dippy. That's starting to a little bit. It is getting a slight dollar dippy here. Dollar dip, crypto rip. Yeah, Corey, are you holding Grayscale Litecoin too? I mean, there's lots of big bets on Litecoin and the crew with Grayscale Litecoin. It's not even necessarily Litecoin itself. But it is. So further this goes up, further that goes up. So as long as the Litecoin chart's bullish as fuck, we can feel solid about our Grayscale Litecoin. Yeah, a little bit. Scallywag's holding some too. She's hyped about that. It's one of the more popular holds in the crew right now. Probably because I'm holding it, because you know I'm excited about it too. That's no secret. Yeah, I believe in Litecoin's future. I do, because I saw the same shit with Ethereum and I doubted it. And then it went 20x. I knew it was possible, but I had some doubts about it. I'm not doubting it on Litecoin. I don't doubt it one bit this time on Litecoin. Litecoin just hasn't done that yet. It tried, it got started having a good gain, a good rally during 2020. It was down at $30. $30 to 400, it went over 10x. It's fair to say it's been brought back to life. It's popping again. So, damn, the bottom there was $30 and we're getting entries for like $60 on Grayscale. That's very good. We're almost getting the bottom. Our Grayscale Litecoin entry at 60 compared to 30. With our 50% discount right here. I'll check out Filecoin on it. It might have potential. There are some that have lots of potential, but we just haven't even charted yet. I know Litecoin has that potential because it went 10x last year and it went way more than that 2017. And then you consider, okay, if Litecoin's $100, that's the same price as Dash. They're both $110. Well, our Dash targets here, the Dash target is $1,500. So you start to wonder if Litecoin and Dash are the same price. Dash can go to $1,500. Can Litecoin go to $1,500 with Dash? From $100 to $1,500 on Litecoin. Over our target, over 1,000 here. Go 15x. And then you start to think about what Grayscale Litecoin would do. My goodness. Don't get me too excited, Kurt. You can't mention Grayscale Litecoin without getting me excited. Then I'll start talking about it. That's the trade-off. We mention it in the chat. I get excited and start charting it. Because we're talking about new all-time highs. This will happen with Bitcoin going new all-time high. $100,000 Bitcoin, $1,000 Litecoin. So if they're all-time highs, what will Grayscale Litecoin do? Go to the all-time high with the altcoins? Maybe. Maybe it will. There's a good enough chance that it will. I like those odds, and because it's a calculated risk, and even if it doesn't fucking go to all-time high, it should at least go 10x with Litecoin going 10x. Litecoin goes 10x, this should at least go 10x, $50. Because it'll still follow Litecoin even if we have a 50% discount the whole way. Whoa, think about it. Well, now, this is where it gets pretty interesting. Because if Litecoin's $1,000 and we have a 50% discount, wait a sec. See where I'm going with this? You picking up what I'm throwing down? Check this out though. Our discount, Grayscale Litecoin. Wait a second. If Litecoin's $1,000 and we have a 50% discount, does that mean Grayscale Litecoin is going to be worth fair value representing $500? The 50% discount from $1,000 to $500. So even if we have a 50% discount up there, it's still insane. Because that would mean we'd be paying 50% less, paying $500 for Grayscale Litecoin equivalent. The buying power, basically. It's not necessarily the share price, but more the buying power. Surely be this chart here. This would be up to 500. The price we're paying right now is $60. I don't know, T-Flyer, are you the only one lagging right now? Is T-Flyers the only one lagging right now, crew? No one's been disconnecting, it's been smooth so far, it looks good on my phone. Hoping we fixed it all. It's all good on my end. No one else? It could just be you, then T-Fire is just a coincidence. I'm glad it's been smooth for everyone else. If you're confused about earlier, we disconnected midstream. I upgraded my internet. I'm trying to solve everything I can think of to make sure we're all smooth and good going forward, because it's starting to interrupt and bother me during the day. No, you're good, T-Fires. It's getting to the bottom of it today. Let's see if we're all smooth for the next hour. And we should be good for next week. I think that helped. So far so good, getting a faster internet, but it was kind of ironic because they cut the live stream. I guess they like scheduled the upgrade to the internet service while we were live, so they shut off my internet to upgrade it. Hopefully we're all good from now on indefinitely. I don't want any more of that ever again. But I can still tweak it a little bit if it need be. Do some testing over the weekend. No, we never have to talk about it ever again. Yeah, let me check a few of the other charts that were mentioned in the chat. Let's start with the Litecoin because that was the first one. I know we've looked at it, but I didn't add it to the watch list. Maybe it wasn't ready when we were looking at it last year. That's probably what it was back. Okay. Yeah, this looks good already. I already like the chart. We probably are gonna need to add this one. Might need to add this one to the watch list. It already has potential. There you go. Wish I had some more dry powder to pillage the crypto dipto. These are fucking good entries on our altcoins right now. Yeah, the chart's set up. I think what happened is we looked at it like 6 months ago, and it was up here. And we probably didn't like it, and didn't keep it on the radar, but look where it is now. It's like Jasmine. It got obliterated the last few months like Jasmine. It's starting to bounce. And it does have good target up there, just double check. Because we don't want a speculative target. We don't necessarily want charts with targets speculative up here of, oh, maybe it could one day, like Litecoin, hit $1,000. It's speculative. We want it to be a good target back here on the recovery. So what would it be to recover up to here? From the bottom to the top on a full cycle, 10x. It's got at least 10x potential. Yeah. That's pretty much the minimum right now. I don't even want to fuck with altcoins that are 500%. I want to see that 1000% 10x, make it worthwhile. Keep in mind, some of our altcoins have way more than 10x targets here. Jasmine's is bigger, but I'll go ahead and add it to the list. It's good enough. At least keep up with. Cool. That was an easy chart too. It's only because of everything else going on. If it wasn't for the rest of the climate, I don't feel as certain about that. since we're bullish on altcoins, that would be the target. Getting in good entries. If you like that one. Just keep in mind some of them are bigger targets than that. Steam. Steam recovers all-time highs, bigger target than 10x. 25. Or Jasmine even. So that one's similar to Jasmine respectively for what it is in this phase of the cycle that it's in right now. With its first bounce, it's at the bottom zone, looking strong. But even Jasmine does have bigger target than that, so Jasmine recovered just the back last year. 15x, 20x. Therefore, it depends how bullish you are, exactly how excited you are about the fundamentals of each of these projects. Personal preference, essentially. Yeah, exactly. Which one's better, Jasmine or Steam? They're both good in their own rights, in their own regard. It's hard to pick. That's personal preference, really. Maybe you like the chart setup on Jasmine more because it's moving quickly over the last 6 months for a good swing. Maybe it'll move quicker upwards on this next swing. But maybe you like Steam more because of the project itself, because it's social media on the blockchain. It's got this nice long-term trend line and everything. So there are reasons you might actually prefer Steam over Jasmine, going for the longer term targets up here. With where we're at right now, nice entries on a lot of different altcoins. Not everything, but a lot. And not everything. Cardano. Oof. Cardano. That's intimidating. That looks sketch. Even if all the altcoins are bullish, that just doesn't look attractive for an entry. Even if it continues up with the altcoin market, it's pretty intimidating. So not all of them are at good entries right now. If it was down here, it would be. I've seen a lot of Dogecoin talk. That's they're gonna get what they deserve. That thing's probably gonna keep dropping, even though the rest of the altcoins can go up. Doesn't look pretty. Here's Dogecoin. Certainly not everything's at a great entry. If Dogecoin was down here, sure. But many of them are. Balancer was perfect and that already bounced over 100% a week or two ago. Very recently. And it's just got this little support retest. Bounce right from there, continue up. Upwards and onwards balancer. 10x, 20 or more, depending where you got it in. It's a surprise 20x on balancer actually. Yeah, I'll check mullen in a minute. Where's the rest of the crypto crew? TikTok's having fun. How about some pirate flags in the chat? to Melody. It is funny. We have like twice as many people watching on private Discord day streams on Wednesday than we do right now on YouTube. On the public crypto. Yeah, just cleaning the house, walking around, just 2 flowers. For sure. I figure a bunch of podcasters and everything. Just checking if we still got a pulse out there. The crew's in the shower. Get in the shower and turn up the volume. You might have to run out of the shower if Bitcoin keeps popping here. It's pretty bullish even for the weekend at the moment. It's working on it. Going with the dollar dippy. We're about to get dollar dippy. Get out of the shower! Quick peek at mullen, and then we'll run through a few of the good hot bevies and everything. Freddy's looking for some mint juice. Look at this as a bull box on mullen. This whole area. And we're just going for higher lows. Okay, check this out. We got this trend line here, and it's right below it, but it's actually a channel. It always really kinda is, I just didn't draw it here. It's more like this channel right now. So here's where mullen's at. Just start riding this channel upwards again soon. And that's why it'll probably take another month to really blast off, hit our next target on mullen. Some more consolidation while we're in this box. Getting ready for priming up for that next impulsive wave. It is a 5-wave pattern right now, 5-wave cycle. So in Elliott wave theory, we get our 1, 2 retracement, 3, 4 retracement, and then the 5th one is the biggest. So it's priming up for that 5th impulsive wave. Well, it's all part of one big wave. The last step's the biggest one, the 5th rally. Get up to our magic number, $10 target area, and then sell off again a lot from there. Probably all the way back down to the box, honestly. Probably all the way back down here to where we are now. So definitely take profits up here on mullen when we get up there. Wake off, not exactly, no. I'm not sure why that's getting so popular all of a sudden. Everyone's talking about that lately. I guess like AMC traders are trying to apply that to the short squeeze somehow. That's too general. There aren't really strict rules for that. It's not the same as Elliottician's wave theory. You actually have strict defined rules for Elliott waves. For Wyckoff, it's just too general. Rule number 1, analyze the bar and point figure chart of the index. Determine the present position and possible future trend. Wow, that's revolutionary. and then decide how to take a position. So basically, look at the step number 1. Look at the chart. Step number 2. Choose stocks that are going up. Select stocks for trading that are stronger than the market. Oh, that's a great tip. Yeah, but how the fuck do you do that, right? Step number 3. Choose only stocks for trading that have potential to exceed or equal a minimum objective. Select those stocks. So plan your target. Make sure you have a good target. Select stocks in the hot baby. Like, this is everything we do every day. Rank stocks according to their readiness to move and preferences. I want to do more of that, actually. Didn't get around to it today with all the stream stuff going on, but make a tier list of the altcoins. Step number 5, commit to the trade. Put a stop loss, follow through until you hit your target. Stay calm, hold strong. It's stuff that we do every day. So I'm not sure how that's, people are trying to apply that to AMC exactly and like make that relevant. Of course that all applies. It's basically just general rule of thumb of trading. Look at the chart, stay calm, hold strong, plan your targets. The Elliott wave is way more direct. I'll show you what I mean, because newer traders have no idea what that even is. So this is what I'm talking about right here on Elliott wave, 5 wave pattern on mullen. So we're at wave 4. We're right here in the bull box, in the bounce box. Get that last push, the biggest one, up to our magic number target. It's beautiful. But these are more strictly defined rules. Like this, we actually have to have specific counts on the waves to make it valid. These internal waves. So even within those 5 majors, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the smaller part of each step as well, and then you get like a 3-step correction. So we can probably count all that out on mullen if we really dove into it like that. We don't feel the need to do that, but I'm sure I could if I tried. We could make it fit here somehow. This one's probably these. There it is right there. Okay, so overall this is the first wave here, and then 2 is down here at the bottom, 3 is up here. Well, within each one of these, within this whole third one, and now we're in 4 currently here, right? 4 and 5. This is our target. But back here in each part of this, you can have those counts. So here it is, where it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what makes it valid. And then our retracements, 1, 2, 3. What's up? What's that being weird? Are we lagging? Odd energy in the world today. This week in general. This is a good week. Made lots of progress. No lag, Corey is just pondering. Okay, cool, thanks. People are like, messages getting deleted and stuff. Just checking. I think their minds are just melting. Cool, I'm glad. Looks like we've been all smooth for the second show then. I think there won't be as many disconnects next week going forward. So I think we made it through the storm with the disconnects. Thanks for helping me figure that out, everyone. It's hard to test it if I'm not actually live. It's hard to test it on my own. So hopefully that's the last I ever have to mention. I'm finished with our count. So you can see that it does have the internal counts are valid with our bigger projection, and then here, so we'll get another 3 on the retracement on our fourth, so the fourth wave down to here in general on the bigger picture. We can count this one out too. 1, 2, 3, like that. That's 3 steps down. So on this 5th one up, we'll get 5 steps up, and that's where people get chopped out, and they're not gonna make it to that bigger target because it'll look like this, where it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're gonna paper hand every time it goes down. And every day I'll be saying stay calm, hold strong, mullen until we hit our target. But they'll get shaken out here and here. It's never that smooth of a ride upwards. That's what you can expect on mullen. It'll look more like this when it's done, not just not just this. It's not exactly gonna be a straight shot to the moon. We'll surf the waves. The Elliott waves. I usually don't have time to mention things like that when the stock market's open, when things are blasting off and hitting alerts and everything. So I enjoy days like this. Helps the crew get deeper understanding of it all, of why mullen's been retracing and how it's still bullish down here. Up to $10 is the target here, starting at 7. So we're talking about $7.77 as the target. Over 7 but under 10, it might not hit 10. Could hit $9, could hit $8, could hit $7.77. So that whole circle is gonna be the profit taking area. That's when it gets up there, then we start watching it more closely. You stay calm, hold strong down here, and when it's blasting off, going parabolic, starts getting up in this profit taking bubble zone. Then you can't go wrong, really, because that's 10x from the bottom. People who got in 50 cents mullens, 10x. We'll be hitting our full 10x target up there. Yeah, for sure, James over here. The charts are definitely limited in that regard. One thing that chart won't say about mullen is that the bank account's almost depleted and they're gonna have to do an offering soon. Yeah, that's the downfall of the charts, but that's why you gotta do your due diligence. Like if that intimidates you and you don't like that, then don't trade mullen. But do your due diligence, and if you see all that and you don't care that much about it and you just want to go off the technicals on the charts, then it's all good. Depends how relevant you want to give that information. I would say that according to the chart, so yeah, it doesn't tell us that part of the story, what's really going on with the business itself, but it does tell us, hey, maybe it's already priced in. Maybe all that bad stuff about it's already priced in when it crashed 97% a few months ago. So how bad is that due diligence? Is it already crashed because of that? It's probably already priced in. It's kind of like Nikola, where there's bad stuff about Nikola in the media for 2 years now, but it looks already priced in because it already fucking crashed for 2 years. So if there was bad stuff about these companies and the price was up here, I would say forget it, it's not worth it. And that's could be really negative. The fact that it's already crashed and it's at the bottom, it's bouncing, I don't think that bad news is gonna stop it from going on a bull run anymore, because investors are still gonna trade the chart. If there's money to be made on the chart, fundamentals go out the window. Throw your common sense out the window if the chart's going up. Like when the FOMO begins. So I'd say that the chart's showing us it's already all priced in. All the bad news and Central, the split and everything, that stock split, it's all already priced in here. A lot of them, if they're at the bottom. Because it's no secret, that's what everyone's talking about. They talk about the FUD. They go, oh, ride FUD, so ride's crashing. Ride FUD, everyone knows about it. Ride already crashed. No one's brave enough to buy the fucking dip. Ride FUD for 2 years. When are people gonna realize it's crashed already? Be brave enough to enter it again. Okay, cool, Zachary. You know, Zachary, just send me another one, okay? If you don't mind. To make sure I definitely see it. If you send me another email, Zachary, then I'll take care of it after the show. In a couple hours. Yeah, interesting perspective, James O'Weir. Thanks for sharing that. I know you're here a lot. I get where you're coming from. I know sometimes the crew's not sure what you're saying, exactly what you mean. If you're being negative about it or not, but I get where you're coming from. And hey, James Sharris. Spell token. We were just looking at that yesterday. Spell and Mana, the gaming cryptos, and this morning we were laughing about some of them. Oh shit, I probably shouldn't even talk about that. I probably shouldn't even pull up Spell token, or I'll start laughing about it all again. I'll start slamming it again. I'll be the one FUDing those ones. Anyway, James goes, I like the long term on those charts. I just keep sucking myself into these short/long term trades, and I should just be buying 1,000 shares and selling as soon as I make a profit. James, hey, if you're watching enough like that, keep up with some of the swings, the day trades we got going on. Yeah, maybe that's your style then. You're thinking you'd rather buy a bunch of ride, and then when it goes up a little bit, when you get a nice 50% breakout or something, just take the profit. That's totally valid. You can pull that off right now. That might be more suitable to your style, your personality, your emotions. Say balancer. Let's apply it to crypto. You could just trade balancer on this long scalp right here, the altcoins for a bounce, and get a nice quick profit. As long as you're comfortable with that type of trading, you don't have to go long term on these things. 67% potentially over the week. Like if Bitcoin keeps going green, we're talking about these things can have 50%, 100% day trades over the weekend. Depends how much of a dollar dip. If we get a big dollar dippy here, then this is actually perfect time for crypto day trades and stuff. So maybe you're just figuring out your style, James, and you might actually be more suited to scalping, swing trading like that. So maybe you can make some kind of readjustment going forward and try and get in on some of our hot pirate wedge plays, or hot swing charts, like Power Bridge. I was getting spicy yesterday. But really, I mean, maybe Camber Energy, something like this. Nice swing on Camber Energy. Just goes up another couple 100%, and you take your profits, and you're happy. You got your win out of it. You don't need to go all in diamond balls Camber Energy for all year. That's not even what this one is. Some of them are more suitable for that on the chart. Camber Energy is that kind of a trade right now, where it's a nice push on a swing, get a couple 100 more %, and then move on, take the money and run, get those profits and run. I wouldn't want to hold Camber Energy all year. Cool, James. Serious? Yeah, sorry about the spell chart. It's damn, I know it's, well, I think, pretty sure if I remember correctly. Now I'm gonna have to check, and this is why I didn't want to talk about it. I think spell's a gaming crypto, isn't it? We were looking at these this morning. I was cracking up. I was losing. Oh, this one's the magic internet money one. Yeah. Now we're back here. How do we get back here? This is why I didn't want to pull it up, because I'm just gonna start making fun of this shitty website. What is that? You draw that picture in 10 minutes. My dragon look at that. Okay, look at that dragon graphic. Oh wow, is what, like $800 million market cap? Look at that dragon graphic. They can fuck right off with their dragon graphic. You know, I have a better dragon than that. I know, guess what? We should make our own for real. Booty coin. Stay tuned. Yeah, that's why we're brainstorming. It's like our crew can make this and have our own fucking booty coin that's better than this shit and this garbage. We'll make it pirate themed and it'll be way cooler than this, and have pirates standing on here with a fucking big sword instead of a stupid blue hair random character that doesn't mean anything. This is meant to be a pirate theme and it's not. Like, anyway, they wish they were stock pirates. Anyway, it's wild because it's what, it took them one day to put together that website. Now it's an $800 billion crypto project. So imagine we start a real one, a good one, which I've always wanted to, and I have the skills and the team to make it happen. We have the team to make it happen. Yeah, it's pretty fun to think about. It's cool to think about. Imagine all the stock pirates, the whole crew getting in early on a project like this that we're in control of. Early. Right on the ground floor, knowing that Captain Denwo is actually gonna make something of it. There's nothing here. Where's the website? Wait, where's the website? Connect your wallet to see the website. There's nothing here. It's just like a this is I can't. We gotta wrap things up. We had too much serious to talk about. Good thing it's low, or else there would be no hope at all. Well, no wonder. There you go. No wonder why it's so low right now. Because maybe the hype's already over with that. So it'd be. Change shares. Not sure if you asked about it because you're just curious if you're holding it, but I wouldn't enter it, that's for sure. Too much competition, I'm not impressed. That website's almost a joke. The website looks like a joke. That's this chart right here, so it's kind of like no wonder why it got obliterated. I can't say much good about that. It's just speculative dice roll. It's probably gonna be tradable with the rest of the altcoins, but I have concerns about those projects that they might disappear and poof. I do. A lot of those projects, the gaming ones and the new kind of social media almost, or like NFT type crypto, they're probably gonna poof and disappear forever, and they're going to zero. They're not gonna last the storm in the long term, a lot of those ones. So how do we know if Spell Token's gonna survive through the next 5 years? Or Mana Token, which one's better? So I'd be careful with those ones. Try and stick more to the altcoins that have a stable history. That's why Dash is fire. Dash is an excellent choice because it was so popular years ago, and look what it did last year. I'm sure everyone would have been stoked to get in on that last Dash run a couple years ago. That's a good trade right here on Dash. 100%. Effectively straight up. money to be had here. There's probably there's a lot of room for growth, being that we're at the fucking bottom. Goodness. Talk about hot baby.
Hot beverage.
Oh no, Gary, thanks for asking about the testimonials from the crew. Yeah, it'll take me some time to put it all together. I definitely want to. So if you'd like to write one, if you'd like to write something nice for me to post on the website, just email me it or just save it for when I ask for it. I'll mention it again in the future. So if you write one up, that'd be awesome. Email me it. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. So I've learned a lot being a stuck pirate. It would just be good to have the real names attached. I'd like to write the real names of it. Like, here's J-Bake's testimonial, here's Gary's testimonial, here's Gizmo's testimonial, so that when people read it, they go, oh, I recognize that person in the chat. Yeah, that'd be good. Just a paragraph, 100 words or less. Thanks, Gary. Cool, so Bitcoin is certainly holding over 40k. It's looking springy. It's looking bouncy. Trying to keep pushing with this dollar dipping. Dollar's actually dipping, so it turns out it looks like dollar actually is gonna make a move and not stay completely flat all day. So the booty coin bet is trying to make a move. If it drops down a bit lower, I'll declare those the winners. So even though it's not much yet, it's all just to prepare for the rest of the weekend and the future in general. So some more dollar melting the rest of the afternoon, it looks like. And this, let's see when the daily candle closes dollar. 4 hours from now. For the next 4 hours, it's looking like it'll just kind of roll over, leading to some more green on crypto this afternoon. And because that we're getting bounces over 40k this afternoon, Friday, that's enough to lead us into more green throughout the whole weekend. Some FOMO kicks in. So it is developing for sure. Substantial developments in action. Potentially a lot more by the end of the weekend, so it'll be cool to see how far it makes it. Get up to like 43,000. Because this is why that would be good for next week too. Let's say we get up to 43, gain some distance on Bitcoin over the weekend. Well then, when the stock market's open again on Monday morning, maybe we take some dollar damage, but it's okay because it just comes right back down here and then we get another bounce. If we gain some distance this weekend, it'll be okay. If we lose some value next week with the S&P hammer, the dollar damage next week that we're expecting. Bitcoin day trading rules, or are there any? No, not really. There's just a bunch of fees on it. Maybe depending if you're using one of those new brokerages that's getting into crypto. Isn't Robinhood starting to do crypto, real crypto, where you actually have your tokens, your coins? There might be some weird rules on Robinhood or something, but the only rules are you pay a fee every time you make a trade on the exchange. They don't care how many times you trade it. They're making their money off all the trading fees. And you're the one paying them, so if you want to be trading that much, the fees might add up. The rule is no paper handing. Is Bitcoin versus S&P, and we're in this beautiful channel right now. That's no concern, there's nothing to worry about there. So right now, this is our little crypto dipto double dunks we have, and that's it. It's bullish again, it can bounce huge from here. Really, that dip on crypto last week was a good thing, not a bad thing. We're getting these re-entries on Dash and everything. See, this is a strong enough bounce already. Dollar keeps dipping right now. That itself, dollar melts some more tonight and everything. Dash keeps going. We're back at 135 all of a sudden, might even blow through. So there's a lot of explosivity right here. Oh yeah, TikTok, great question, man. What coin is this? What coin is this chart? Does it look so nice? This actually isn't. This is Bitcoin strength versus S&P. Is this strength? Okay, so technically it's this Bitcoin versus SPX chart. Two charts compared mathematically. The strength of Bitcoin versus strength of SPX. So really what this is crypto. The strength of our crypto versus the stocks. The strength of the stocks. Stonks. That's what this chart is. Yeah, I learned something else new. Awesome. That was great today. We covered a lot of good lessons and preparation. Nice and prepared for what's next over the weekend and next week and the whole long-term perspective. Really, I saw nothing concerning. I'm only getting more confident about it. As time goes on, it's just looking better and better. And I did say we'd run through some of the hot heavies. So which ones are fire right now? Which ones are good to go? Dash, well, it's down at 100. It's not, they're still here. They're still right where we want them, but you realize that it already started going a month ago. We're already getting these major bounces. So if you wait too long, you get another major bounce next week, and then it's way up there. What happened to the part? Oh, just on the booty coin. We got them right where we want them. No hesitation on accumulation. These ones. Jasmine, it's come back down enough. It's back down enough that it is a double dunk here, where you could potentially make some more accumulation if you feel like you want some more of it, let's say. Or maybe you never got in Jasmine that first time. You're looking out for a brand new entry. Freddy, just for you, Ella. Freddy says you should check out Fred token. Is there a Denwo token? Denwo! Oh, and Denwo. Might have to get in on his Denwo chart. Oh, it's ugly. It's a China stock, I think. Yep. It's funny because Mina has been one of the crew who consistently dollar cost averages her favorite altcoins all year last year, and we have Mina coin. We were watching it way back then, and then she caught it on the hot bevy here. Looking for the other chart. Kind of funny because she made a nice trade just because it's the same name that she had. I guess if I get too excited about it. Oh, not Fed token, Fred token. I don't even see it on here, man. Maybe I was just joking. You tricked me. That's how you trick the captain. It's not easy to trick me, but the OGs fuck around sometimes. Yeah, and they'll be like, check out DNWO, like Denwo or something. I try and pull it up. What are you talking about? There's no Denwo token. Shadowy Gaming. Super League Gaming. Someone would be like, Denwo, how's the Shadow League Gaming chart looking? And they trick me every time. It's really called Super League Gaming. That's how you can trick me. So it's Super League Gaming. Get me to pull up a chart that doesn't exist. You can be clever about it. Yeah, exactly, T5. My favorite stock position is ticker symbol SHIT. You know, it's too obvious, but if you're clever about it, you might be able to trick me. Cool. We'll wrap things up soon because that was really. I feel we accomplished a lot. We got our live stream tests all smooth and running, no disconnects. The last couple hours. We're feeling good about our altcoins. So good, I would be firing cannons at them if I had any dry powder ready to go. I'm serious. If I had like 10 million in the bank, $10 million in the bank, I'd go boom, 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 boom. Get some CHAINLINK, get some balancer, get some ICP, get some Steam. I'd be stealing all the crypto diptos. Going in all those fucking hot babies, but you gotta be kind of selective about it. Pick your favorites and which ones are most worthwhile. So Jasmine's actually down enough. Let's say when it's under 2 cents here, and with the bounce, that's the thing. With the altcoin bounces right now, it's probably gonna bounce back over 2 cents this weekend. By Monday, it'll be over 2 cents, bouncing, heading upwards again. So these really are the entries. Right here, not necessarily all the way down here, it's still too bullish. So okay, that one's got the green light again. For new entries, or maybe doubling down or whatnot. It wasn't up here, no way. I was telling everyone, no FOMO, don't FOMO in here, only if you're going for like long-term accumulation, or maybe you're lowering your cost average because you bought a little bit back here a couple months ago. So this is double dunk accumulation. It's right where we want it. Jasmine's good to go. Digibite started an epic bounce. Look at this move on Digibite. That's not even parabolic. That's not even like parabolic. That was going parabolic and then hit a wall and boom. Straight up. Pop. So that's getting spicy. And this is probably about as low as it's gonna go right now. Right where we want it. Get a bounce right over the weekend. That's Pirate Wedge. Okay, that's the top here. Let's say we get all-time high because Bitcoin goes to $100,000. Oh, okay. It was better a couple of weeks ago. Fuck. That's not right where we want it. It could be better. When we this one's already leaving Earth. Oh, it's already going up too much. There used to be a nice 10x at the bottom there when we were talking about it a couple of weeks ago. There we go. That was our dip. Like the dip's over at the apparently. It's already cooling off. That's not even a hot bevy anymore. I gotta take it off the flag. I'm taking it off. Digibite's not actually right where we want it anymore. It's gone up too much. It was right here when we were checking it a month ago, a couple of weeks ago. We had those nice 10x targets. Now it's only 600%. I want to see those 10x's. I'm not fucking with no 600%. We're not diamond handsing crypto for 600%. Jasmine pulls that recovery. That's why Jasmine's good to go right now. This is right where we want it. You get in Jasmine here and it pulls the same exact recovery. 20x. 20x compared to 600%. 20 versus 6. Chainlink's good for what it is, where it is on the chart. Back down at August entries is where we started accumulating in August. I just remembered I traded that. It just hit me that I bought some Chainlink here in August and I wrote it up. I don't have it anymore though. That's why I forgot. I actually traded Chainlink on that bounce, but I put it into a different coin after. I got out of it and then I'm not holding it anymore. So there you go. It's like that was a nice swing and now it's back at the re-entry from August, right where we wanted Chainlink. $50 all-time high there, so about 10 to 50, 500%. This is the only one that might be worthwhile fucking with 500%, because this can hit double that. $50 last year, $100 next year, $10 to 100, 10x. So if you like Chainlink, it's right where we want it. Look at loopring there. Check that out, right on top of that box. It's floating on top of the ocean. It's buoyant. It's not sinking. Where's my crypto dipto? I want more crypto dipto. Can Bitcoin just flash crash one more time for us? It looks too strong. None of them are going down. They're sitting right on support. They're bouncing. They're holding the line to say the least. Because not only are we holding the line on loopring literally perfectly right on top right now, the bull box, the baby box. So it's essentially good entries under $1.90 right now. Not over $1. Although we're holding right now, we went over $1 2 weeks ago. So these are our double dips re-entries right now. They're still bullish as fuck. They didn't drop very low. This is about as low as they're looking to go, apparently. That's what we're seeing today. That's what the charts are telling us with the whole crypto market cap. It's about as low as altcoins are going. They're not taking any dollar damage. Yeah, we're trying to sort that out right now. TikTok about which one's the best potential, which one's the hottest entry. Kind of reevaluating that because we have a bunch of them marked right here. These ones have good entries, good targets out of our whole watch list, and I'm going through each of them again right now. Hey, Pirate Hornet, Buster Keaton, Ken E, Jake Mallard, good to see y'all today. Waver. We're just wrapping things up soon. So if you missed the early part of the show, it's worthwhile. Go back and rewatch that over the weekend. Just joining us. We dove into some cool things. Especially this morning, right before the disco, I was firing shots at the hedges, and they fired back. Kevin Smith. Flighty 420. Yeah, I figured a bunch of you were sleeping in this morning. We're smooth sailing today. Yeah, that's because this is a real life pirate beard. It's the kind of beard a real life stock pirate would have. That's why it's so fitting. I've always had a big bushy mustache. Yeah, VECHAIN is legit right now, so okay, so Jasmine's good to go. We cleared that one. A lot of these are going to come down to personal preference. Some of them are going to be just as good as other ones. But we've cleared that if you like Jasmine. So it's still, you do your due diligence, read about the projects, check out their website and everything. Now you see how important that is. Make sure you check out the website before you put any money in any of those. It's not some silly quick sketch of a pie graph that doesn't mean anything. Yeah, or I'll tell you if you ask me that. I'll pull up the website and laugh about it. That was fun. Definitely staying unbiased about it. I've been watching some of these altcoins for 5 years, 10 years, and then there are these new ones that pop up last year, and the websites are just garbage. Yeah, Kevin said. What would my top 4 be? That's how we'll wrap it up. But first of all, let's make sure these are all still good to go. Yeah, cool. Freddy, you got him, VECHAIN and Vitor. Probably after talking about it one last week. Yeah, Digibytes, I wish the targets were bigger. So I'm gonna have to take that off the flaming hot list for now. But VeChain, absolutely. While it's under 10 cents, we're solid. It almost hit 10 cents. We hit 9 cents 2 weeks ago on that last bounce. Now this is our re-entry on VeChain. Right back at 5 cents, 6 cents. Let's get a bounce soon. Or more maybe more consolidation accumulation for another month while the dollar's pumping. That's what we'll find out. How long is that gonna last? Either way, either one of those scenarios, we're talking about going up, not down. So VeChain definitely good to go under 10 cents. And by nature that means VeThor is. VeThor actually looks even better. It is following this projection quite well. We're perfectly following this projection here, and what comes next is a secondary bounce. And that would make sense with the dollar dippy we're starting to see. Well, will we? It's still flat. Will we get that dollar dippy? Any kind of move on the dollar today, the bet could still go either way for the booty. Yeah, so actually the VeThor chart looks even more attractive because we saw it do its thing one day. There was one day where it noticeably was outperforming VeChain. One of these days when we were rallying here, so from the bottom to top, it was pretty good. 135% on that last VeThor bounce. And there was a time here where VeChain was going straight up, and so was VeThor. So VeChain was up like 20%, I think. And VeThor was exactly double. VeThor was up 40% that day. It was the same move, but it went double. Twice as big. So this is actually even better than VeChain. Same network, same kind of project, and they're gonna trend together. So one of them's gonna move in bigger magnitude, larger scale moves when it goes up and down. So we're cruising right to this giant magic triangle breakout. How long? We have another month in the giant magic triangle. Well, it's still good entries maybe, but soon it looks like, sooner rather than later. We'll get that official breakout and huge 10x, 20x targets. The thing is, VeChain, our VeChain targets are 10x or more easy. That's what's cool about VeChain under 10 cents. We're talking about a $1 target on VeChain, roughly speaking. So if you're getting in 10 cents to $1, that's nice 10x. If you're getting in 6 cents right here, right now, to $1, that's a lot more. So if VeChain target, we're shooting for 10x, but VeThor goes double, VeChain goes 10x, VeThor goes 20x. Nano's good. I like Nano under 3. I would prefer it be lower though. So this one, it depends where they are in the short term. This is still cooling off from the last big bounce. It's hard to say exactly the bot. It probably won't come all the way down, but looking like a $2 stop hunt there. Here's $2. So it looks like it could drop right below $2 and then bounce from there on Nano. Just because it went too far too fast. 100% last week, and it's still cooling off right now. So not quite yet. However, anything under 3, this whole area in general under 3, is gonna be decent entries for long term. Since the ticker changed on Nano, if this chart doesn't show us the full history of it, we can see that on CoinMarketCap. I don't like how it's drawn out here, so it's drawn out kind of strange, but get the idea. First of all, long-term bull run, way the hell back there, it's like 1 penny. Hey, look, it's VThor price. Same price as Jasmine down there. Oh, 10x is well within reach on these things. Anyway, point is on Nano, even though it's, I don't like how it's drawn out here, it's hard to see the scale properly. This almost looks, oh, I have the log chart clicked right there. I accidentally clicked the log, it looks like it was turned on. I was gonna say, it looks like the log chart. Hey Jeff, afternoon man, glad you could join us. Yeah, we're about to wrap things up. I think we go another 30 minutes. I'm not quite done yet. This is gonna take some more time to go through the rest of these, so a quick 2-minute intermission, and then we'll go for another 30 minutes, guys. Be right back. I'm not gonna be able to get through all this in the next 5 minutes. No rush. Gotta run to the restroom. Oh, grab some water. Be right back. jumping back in church. Cool. Welcome back, crypto crew. I just wanted to make sure to have enough time to go through them all. Not rush it. So here's the full nano chart history. And it's important because you can't see that on the new chart, the XNO chart. What you want to know about it, it went to $40 back here, 2017. All-time high is like $40. Crashed down to $1. Another rally, 2020, went up to $20. And now it's at 2. So from 0 to 40 to 1 to 2. I'm gonna write it out. You'll see the pattern. It's a pattern. It's like a Fibonacci almost. A sequence. So on the low end, here are the lows, here are the highs. Or the tops and the bottoms, even. It started at 0 at pennies, like where some of these are right now. Jasmine and Vitor started very cheap, went up to $40. Going all the way. 2017, and then say like 2018, and then for a couple years crashed down to 1. From 40 down to 1, and that was the height. You get the point. And then up here, 2020, we're hitting 20, so it went from 1 to 20. And then 2022, where we go down to $2. You see the sequence. The lows are doubling every couple of years. 1, 2, and then it can go up a lot. So say it goes back to 40, and then it crashes again. It has a sell-off. Where would it go? Down to 4. And these are multiples of each other. So half of this is where it went last year. Maybe it'll go the full way to 40. Maybe it'll go double this, go 80. 80 would make sense here. Have a bull run up to $80 on Nano and then crash down to $4 going forward. See how you can get a sort of prediction about the sequence in the future. Go from $2 right now up to $80 altcoin season, sell off again, crash down to 4, play it all over again, goes to 100 that next time. That's why Nano's good at 2, under 2. It makes a lot of sense at $2. After being at 20 last year. It's probably not gonna go down to 1 ever again. It's gonna stay over 1, but 2 sounds about right. And then $40 $20, $40, $80 projections on the targets on the way up. Hey man, let's go. Someone was trading ape coin the other day. They're excited about. Anyone else in ape coin? Just by chance. I was surprised to see how big a market cap is. This thing's huge market cap. It pumped, it pamped. How much room for growth is left on ape coin, I wonder. It's crazy how popular it got. Yeah, Corey.
Jasmine hitting that support level you were talking about. Dry powder ready. I'm lighting the fuse.
Think I know who that was. Thanks, that word enough. Well, Asia Pacific Electric coins up 1,200%. Wait, is this ape coin? This is ape coin? That's what it stands for? I didn't realize that. These are the same ones. No, I don't think so. There are 2 ape coins. There are 3 ape coins. I don't know, but this one has a big fucking market cap. It's bigger than Litecoin. Ape coin's bigger than Litecoin. This got incredibly big very quickly. Pretty wild. How much room for growth is there with that kind of a market cap? Could it go 10x? Speculatively, it's just people got rich off it already. It's already up a lot. There's already tons of money in it. You're late to the party, like late to party on ApeCoin. That's why we need booty coin. The picture's kind of funny though. Little logo, the ape skull. It's time to be savages, be brave, face that danger. Not bored enough going for the Jasmine. Yeah, it's low enough. I'm giving it the green light. Okay, we'll clear him. We're gonna clear them all. Jasmine's cleared. VECHAIN, green light. Loopring for what it is. CHAINLINK for what it is. We'll give them all the green light if they're valid. Nano. Balancer. Amp. Oh, ETHEREUM, we know that. And ICP, we've already gone through a bunch of them. Steam. And Dash, just a few more. Those ones all got the green light right now. Flaming hot.
Hot beverage.
Yeah, feeling tired of being poor. Yeah, that's a trap, because it's like the beginner traders, they want to make a quick buck. They want that Lambo. So they FOMO in something silly without planning it. They go, oh, I'm tired of being poor, so I'm going all in Dogecoin. That'll do it. Like, that'll save me. And then it goes down all year. Because they didn't really plan it out. They just hopped in something they thought was exciting and would make them money. Okay, even though AMP may dunk down lower, because it is right on top of the box there, that's definitely getting the green light. It's gonna be more risky though, being that it's already up a lot from back here. It's very volatile. This gives it an added risk factor because it raises questions about why did it drop that hard in the first place? Could it drop that hard again? Besides that though, if you're just accumulating, it wouldn't even be a big deal. So it's in the buy boxes right where we want it. I give it the green light with the 20x targets potential. All of these targets, they're only possible with the whole total market cap. That's why we chart our total altcoin market cap chart frequently. One moon, soon enough. Too soon. The moon too soon. They're going up too fucking fast. I want more accumulation. A best case scenario, really, in the end, and it's hard to even understand that, but it really is, getting accumulation for like 3 more months, 6 more months on the altcoins here. Just ride in this box and then blast off with dollar crash, because then we'd be able to load up a lot more crypto cargo in the meantime. They're going a bit too fast lately. Now that we got that breakout, we're in the support retest continuation. Support retest success continuation. They may very well be about to spring huge and head to all-time highs sooner rather than later. That's why it's important right now. Oh, those poor paper handlers. Feel bad for those paper handlers last week. I don't see the bigger picture. We're not seeing through the fog. Okay, so that's our altcoin projection from 1T. We're at 1T right now. Altcoin season, we'd definitely be seeing 2T, but it's more like 3. I think 3T's achievable here. And one day 5T, 5 trillion in the altcoins themselves, only altcoins. I think 3 sounds reasonable for this altcoin season. So this is where the amount of money in the altcoins is heading. That's how these altcoins can hit those 20x targets, because it's that bullish. There's that much money that could enter over the next couple of years. Double, triple the whole altcoin market. We're just waiting for the FOMO to begin, to kick in. The more and more green they go, the more FOMO people will feel, and they're trying to get in before it's too late. Right now, they're still cautious about it. Lots of caution and uncertainty with the major markets, S&P and dollar action. UFO. Not sure why I have this one flagged. I don't remember this being a hot bevy. Maybe it was though, so I'm double checking them all. Okay, this is a gaming one. Yeah, that's not gonna cut it. Maybe I might have clicked that one on accident, honestly. That shouldn't be on our flaming hot bevy list. Nem should be though, because we were looking at it this morning, right? And I was saying under 10 cents on Nem's fire. That's lit. Guess what? It already bounced over 10. Just from this morning, now Nem's back over 10 cents. No more single digit entries, single penny entries. Double digit penny entries. That's the kind of round number, almost like VECHAIN getting over 10 cents. It's really more equivalent to VECHAIN at 5 cents, but still. Or like, okay, NEM at 10 cents right there, bouncing over 10. That's a lot like Dash hitting $99 on Dash and then bouncing back over 100. So it looks like it's already starting to happen on NEM. Processing, they're developing nicely. Giant targets, sounds good to go. Green light on them. These are the flaming hot bevies right now. And we're going the full way because not everyone's even seen this charts before. There's some new crypto crew in that chat today. We're just getting started with their crypto entries, trying to figure out which one's their favorites or not. Here's why, now that we know which one's out of our list. I didn't go through everything today. So I'm sure there's more, and we'll find more. We'll always be adding to our watch list, but where these are currently, we feel confident that they're good entries right now. So here's why on the measurements now. On them, it's down 95%, hot bevy. 20x target. Amp. Down 98%. 50x hot bevy target. Holy fuck. Balancer, this is from last year. Keep in mind, Balancer's fairly new, 85%, but where do we like our hot bevies? 85, 95%. Hey Benjamin, we got a couple more. Okay, I'll take a quick peek. We're gonna wrap things up here shortly though. We made it the full day, guys. The bell's about to hit. Market day's ending. East to West. East to West pack. You got one too? I'll totally take a peek at those. See if they have any potential or not. This is why these ones do though. We do have they fit our hot baby requirements. 85% down, 10x, 20x on Balancer. Yeah, it's already been bouncing a lot lately. Dash 95% hot bevy. Over 10x targets. ICP, this one's pretty interesting. Target unknown. Targets unknown. 10x, so let's say 200 is reasonable, so under 20 to 200 at least 10x. And it's down. Ridiculous. The chart's insane. That's what's interesting about it. It started very high when it hit the exchanges, right in the middle of like crypto smackdown. Right when Bitcoin was topped out and going down, so it got pretty much obliterated, but that's the whole point. That one's gotta be more risky. So a couple of a couple of them will have to flag now too. That's why I'm still going. ICP, Jasmine, and AMP are gonna have to be more risky category themselves. And even Steam, really. Let's say Steam, because it's speculative. Social media, blockchain. Anyway, on the charts, the point is, are these good entries on these ones? We know they are. Jasmio's up here. Not even that long. November, December. And it went down 98% just from fucking November, December. So think about our pirate wedges going for recoveries back to November, December. Pirate Wedge Jasmine back to November, December's 20x targets. Just to get back there is huge. Chainlink for what it is, because it was at 50 down to 10. Gives it, okay, so this one, it's a 77% bevy. It's not exactly that 85-90% where we would really want it, so that's why I say only if you really like Chainlink fundamentally due diligence. It's more of a middle of the road, mid-risk, mid-reward, because it's been on a bull run for years now. Loopring if you like loopring, because it had this nice peak back here last year, and currently down 80% from there. So our target's beyond this peak, not just up to here, but more up to $5, $10. We dove into it last time, one of our last crypto crunches on loopring, and it's looking like it has $10 potential. Hey Crypto Cross, we'll check all those out. We had to raise the roof, raise our target on loopring with the market cap considered. It's looking more like $10 target, so there's 10x on loopring still, if you like that one. More middle of the road again. Yeah, 2 flowers, Scotty had a enjoyable week, man. It was a lot of fun this week. We got those 100% therapeutics plays. Start off the week, that was epic. Steam's down a ton. Steam's way down from the top, which gives it giant targets. It was at $10. It's now 35 cents, 95% hot bevy, 35x target. Insane numbers on the recovery on these ones. Just to demonstrate how these are good entries right now. VECHAIN 85%. Double dunk from back in August. Same entries as August. $1 target, 10 cents, $1 over 10x. Of course, VETHER follows that, potentially double, so 20x. Let's see, where would that put VETHER? 20x put us. Oh. I don't have the numbers, the specific pennies on that chart actually. Put us at 10 cents. That sounds about right. Hit our 10-cent target on VETHER. Because that's the price, around the price of where VECHAIN is right now. 5 cents, 10 cents, right? So if VECHAIN goes 10x, hits $1, VETHER can go up to what the price of VECHAIN is right now, 10 cents. That's reachable, that's within reach. And then lastly, Nano, and we covered that with the old all-time high, $40. Those are the flaming hot ones, fresh and organized, the juice ready to be squeezed. Those orange ones, the orange juice, Steam, ICP, AMP, and Jasmine, those are more high risk, high reward. For the green ones, nice and solid. You almost can't go wrong with those green ones. Cool, let's check out those other charts that were mentioned in the chat real quick. I at least want to take a peek. OGN, Origin. looks like it just came out a couple years ago. Whoa, what the hell happened there? That says it was out. According to the short squeeze wick, it says it was $100,000. That can't be accurate. No way. The chart says it was fucking 100 grand. That has to be a glitch or some kind of weird thing. Oh no, Javier's. We're getting some lag hit again. Alright. Did everyone disconnect? Naked Sabi's still here. Did anyone not disconnect? It's valuable feedback. Like I said, I'm on the blazing internet now, so it's definitely not an internet issue. Probably is YouTube servers again. It looks good again on that. Yeah, I guess we're back already. People did drop. Fuck. Looks like it did happen again. Arg. I'm gonna have to do some testing, so that's why we gotta wrap things up. Sure what to make of all that right now. It's not my computer, it's not the internet, it's gotta be YouTube, right? It did seem better though. Didn't happen for a few hours at least. So maybe it'll be all better Monday. Let's just wrap things up. Well, we still can. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that 100,000 target either. See, there's all this weird shit going on. It's not a target. Exactly what is it? Why does the chart show that candle? Lots of weird things going on. Here it is, going back to 2020 though. Oh really? Flatty 420? Okay. Good feedback. Thanks for the feedback, everyone. Tolerating that. It cut out for him, but he didn't have to refresh, and now we're back. Yeah, hey Pirate Hornet, we're gonna do a voice chat tomorrow night, Saturday night voice chat party as usual. This has potential. Unfortunately, it's not the best. Not the golden entry, that's the problem. They're going up too fast. Sorry, gone up 200% in March. Last couple of weeks. So from the bottom right here, if you'd gotten it right there on OGN, then it's whole 10x. It looks like Shiba down here. Too early though, it's almost... You kind of want to wait and see the breakouts on those ones. If you're watching it close enough, otherwise you really believe strongly that there's gonna be a future to the project getting in early. There's no reason to get in early really on those speculative ones. Wow. This has a good history to it. Full anatomy of a bubble at play. This might be better than KN. Let's see how far it's down from that top. So that was last year. 85% hot baby. Looks like it's up a lot from the bottom still though. It was down at like 1 cent, 2 cents, and now it's 20 cents. A couple years ago. Still up 10x. That's the catch, is they're probably gonna hold. It's probably gonna stay up 10x. Where's my crypto dipto? I want him to dunk down one more time. Ah, people are losing me again. Alright, we're just gonna call it then. That's okay, we're wrapping up anyway. Yeah, definitely just doing it. I see what you're all seeing. Now I can't even say goodbye on Ethereum. Shoot. Except everyone's gone. There's 5 of you here. I just wanted to say bye. We'll just wrap it up. Call it a day. Call it a weekend. That's the bell. We hit that. We made it the full day. So I guess we're still working through that, but the hedge is still attacking, but it seems like it's improving. I got my internet boosted up. I'm gonna work on it, do some testing over the weekend. We can try again on a weekend voice chat party, whatnot. So I figure everyone's heading out anyway. Those who left probably aren't even coming back. We're just gonna call it another successful day. Thanks so much, my friends. All the kind words and support. We'll pick it back up early Monday morning. Otherwise, party doesn't stop when the show's over, and I'll see you on Discord. Happy trading, have an awesome weekend, and take care. JBig never even disconnected. Interesting. I'm glad we're sorting that out today. There's some things I can try. I think we're starting to figure it out. It's getting better and better, just like the charts and the crew. Take care, yeah.